Do you ever get bored sitting around waiting? I'm sitting at home at the moment and I've got removalists around me. They've packed everything in boxes, as you can see there, because my family and I are about to go on a trip. We've got 9 months worth of travel. We leave now and we'll be back after going through the US, Southern Europe, and a bunch of different countries in Asia. So we're putting the house in storage and renting the house out while we're away. And today, I'm just sitting here waiting for the removalists to do their thing. And I got to be honest with you, I'm bored out of my freaking mind just sitting waiting because there's nothing for me to do. All of the house is packed up. I've got my computer with me, so I'm doing a bit of trading work, but really it's just a waiting game. I'm just going to wait for them to get their job done so I can go and lock up the house and leave and go do the next thing. And so, look, I'm sitting here bored out of my mind. I don't like sitting around doing nothing. And it got me thinking about trading and waiting. And I wondered, have you ever been bored or frustrated waiting for a trade to come along, waiting for the signal to take the next trade? And what I realized is that a lot of people are losing a lot of money because of this emotion, this frustration and impatience for the next trade. Because what happens is you go looking for something to do. I'm in a house and I'm wandering around. It's like, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? And I'm picking up stuff and making work for myself and being busy and getting in the way of the removalists and annoying them. And it's basically counterproductive. It's not achieving anything really. And it's exactly what happens when you as a trader go out into the markets looking for trades instead of waiting for the right trade to come along. Now, I trade systematically, and that's the way I encourage you to trade as well, because when you trade systematically, you wait for the signal to come and you take that trade when and as you're supposed to take it. But if you go out looking for trades, you end up justifying positions to yourself. Oh yeah, it sort of meets my criteria, or it's almost a buy signal, or it's almost a sell signal. And when you trade like that, you end up making mistakes. And so if you're sitting around as a trader bored, here's what you need to do. Close your computer and go read a book, or go out of the house and go do something else. One of the amazing things about being a systematic trader is that you don't have to spend much time doing it. So if you're just spending time staring at the computer or watching the markets, then you're probably being counterproductive. Go do something else. Find something productive to do. Develop a new trading system. Do some more research. Try and refine your rules. Do more back tests. Read some books, something. But don't go looking for trades. Because when you go looking for trades, you're going to end up taking poorly thought through trades. Taking setups that are not as good as they could be. Just wait for the signals from your system and you'll do a lot better as a trader. Now, I'm going to try my very best to take my own advice and stay out of the way of the removalists and not create busy work for myself to do for the rest of the day. So, look, next time I do a video, I'm probably going to be out of the house. All this stuff will be moved into storage by the end of today. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to go traveling shortly. Hope you can join me on the journey. Comment below and let me know what you think. Have you ever taken trades that you shouldn't have because you were being impatient? And what did you do to stop yourself from doing that? My name's Adrian Reed. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.